This is Rush Hour. Rush Hour is a quilt which is like several that I have done. I call the technique Embellished Appliqué. It involves using basically a positive negative type of applique. So every square of fabric is used in, all of the parts of the fabric are used in other blocks. And then blue is the background here. Then you can go around each fish with your fancy stitches on your sewing machine. I thought it was so fun to try to find different stitches and how exciting they looked. The little bubbles were made with some iridescent tulle that I found. And the background is simple. It's sort of a strip-pieced blues, as many blues as I could find that looked like water. So this is Rush Hour. This is Butterfly Collection. Butterfly Collection is a collection of different wall quilts made with the butterflies as the focus. These are made in the same way as the other embellished applique quilts that I have made. I usually make 16 blocks. So in the Butterfly Collection, the 16 blocks are used to make 3 different wall quilts. The pattern gives the directions on how to make each of these wall quilts. There's a long one. There's more of a square, which could be used as a table topper. And then there are directions to make placemats. So you can make 4 placemats, all in the Butterfly Collection. These 2 quilts are an example of embellished applique, where every piece of the fabric gets used, and there's some positive and some negative parts. There's 2 quilts that this makes, so I only made, I think, 8 blocks. So these can be used on the wall. These could be used on a table. I love to be able to use my fancy machine stitches to make each part a little bit different. Embellished, hearts for you. This is Autumnal Equiblox. Autumnal Equiblox was my first attempt at doing what I call embellished applique. I love to use my fancy stitches on the sewing machine to stitch around things, and so here I stitched around leaves that were autumn-like. Autumnal